Hi everybody! So I finally got to do it. I finally got a chance to run the Raku Kiln, and this is what the video is going to be. I'm going to show you the whole process from throwing the pieces, putting the terra sigillata on it, kind of my whole process with that, and then show you how the actual firing went and how all the pieces turned out. So you have that to look forward to. I'm so excited to be able to show everybody. I've been really wanting to do a Raku fire and it just hasn't been working out, but today is the day. We're gonna do a Raku fire, and we're just gonna have some fun. And these will mostly be horsehair pieces, and then I do have one reduction fire, Raku fire that we're doing. So yeah. Here's all the Raku pieces that we threw. So this is the Raku Kiln. This is what we're going to be using, and this is from Peter Pugger. They normally make puggers, but I actually really liked the style and the shape and stuff of the Raku Kiln. So yeah, we got this Raku Kiln we're going to be using, and right here is where we're going to be putting the pilot and doing all the firing and stuff like that. It goes right into here. And then both these sides open up, can get it. And that's where the pieces go, is in there. So yeah, so when we get to temperature, we'll be opening up the sides, pulling out the piece. Here, 2 exhaust ports here. And for the thermocouple temperature gauge, that's where we're going to be putting in there. So we're going to be using terra, sigillata, and mica. And so with the mica, you have to be very careful about the temperature that it gets to, because mica only likes about 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it'll burn off. So I want to make sure that we don't get too far past that, or, you know, we'll probably stay under it. I'm going to probably stay under it about 50 degrees and see how the pieces turn out that way. That's kind of what we're going to be doing. So I need to make sure that I have some kind of temperature gauge, just so that I don't end up going over temperature with those. And then we do have a trash can. I am doing one piece, just one piece, with the trash can needing the reduction chamber for that. The rest are going to just be horsehair, so they're not going to be in here, but I did want to kind of try one piece with the mica and doing the reduction chamber, aka trash can, and seeing if, you know, it worked out, or if it turned out. So there we go. It's popping. Good job. Good job. You did everything you're supposed to. There we go. Can you see it all right?
Yep. Just putting horsehair on. Ooh. Oh, it looks really cool with that silica.
Yeah.
It's turning purple.
With the mica, yeah.
Or mica, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. That's pretty cool, Annie.
This is really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to do this from now on.
It's turning out good, huh? It's really pretty.
There we go. But I know I at least know that there's like one of them that I did 2 colors. I could be wrong. I don't know. I was kind of having a lot of fun with it.
There she comes. Yep. Oh, careful. One. There's another one. Ooh, I hear it.
Yeah.
You can. Because it's so cold out here, maybe.
Okay. Alright. Uh-oh.
There's video in that. Got one going. Here's more feather. Here's the horsehair.
Do you need some more? I got some.
Here's another feather if you want. Just trying to get them all on decorated before they cool off too much.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a race against the clock. Just be careful, don't get your hand right on the...
Okay.
Because it'll get you.
Done that, have you?
Yep. I have. Had lots of practice with this.
Oops.
Yeah, we're getting about...
I forgot to do this.
So I can see where if you do like a bone or colors of the Mica.
Right?
Those are big wheels. And they call that gravel.
That one hurt.
You alright?
I'm good. It just hurts a little.
No pain, no gain. Apparently, okay. No.
It's okay. That's why you do it, right? You gotta experiment and see what happens and how it works.
Yeah.
And
Wow. Putting horsehair on there. There it goes. Well, that one looked good. It's got the broad feather there.
yeah.
You can see the feather outline there.
And then we'll put a bit more here.
Wow.
Well, it seems to do really well with taking the hair, at least. It's just the initial shock. So it's not having any trouble when I put the hair on
The
there.
hair is doing its alright doing with
Yeah.
the hair. Turned out good.
Yeah, it's pretty. Don't really see the green, but it almost just made the purple darker.
Yeah, darker purple.
Yeah.
Alright, so we need
I was kind of curious if the mica would show up in the reduction firing. It doesn't look like it really did, but it does look really pretty with it just, you know, doing the reduction and the clay turning black and having all those carvings in them. I think are really, really pretty. And then here are the other ones. So you can see that I put purple mica on there and it showed up pretty good. I really like the way those colors came out on those pieces. You can kind of see some of that feathering there. And got a lot of horsehair. Overall, I think it went pretty well. Here is the last piece we did. So as you can see, that mica really came out with the horsehair. We got some feathers that burned onto there really pretty too. Kind of made some silver. It'll be fun to see what these look like when they get all cleaned up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I apologize for the weird lighting and the weird weather. I mean, honestly, us Spokanites, you know, those who live in the north and are used to living in Spokane, kind of get used to the weather being all over the place. And so as you can see, we had wind, we had hail, we had snow and rain, and just, yeah, it was crazy. We also had sunshine and periods that worked really well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you kind of had fun with me, and my mom helping me and my husband helping me too. And yeah, I'm really excited about the pieces, and like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video.